Good morning, everyone. My name is Shan Juneja, and I'm here to introduce you to AI Risk and Fairness Audit Report. Basically, I developed these codes divided into three parts. First for EDA, and second for machine learning model, and third for the model audit reports. The first one I will explain the data set. The data set has been converted into a loan praxis data set. It includes ID, gender, race, age, a group, etc., etc. And I deeply understand the data and check the null values. There are not null values, and I see the approval denied rates. And then I did with the gender approval by gender rates. Then I approval by race. Then I approval by the age groups. Then I see a lot of it actually, and there is a problem. Like the citizen, like their citizen or permanent resident have a more approval rates for this. And then the disability status, there have been no disability status have get most of the loan approval rates. So I actually this data set I have so to decide with I understand the data set more carefully for this. So the next data set I will show you the about this. I use the same data set as we speak. So I used the pre-processing steps. I use the categorical columns, the main columns that we need to carry on, like gender, race, employment, education level, citizenship, language, disability, criminal record, zip code, and age group. All of this we are needed in the loan groups actually, so that we could show how much do we need it for this. And for this I used the random forest regressor model. So actually I used the random regressor model because I was familiar with it and I know how to use it. So that's why I use random regressor random forest model. So I see X shape, Y shape is there. I use trace test split model, a random forest classifier model. So actually, for use the precision class 0 is 64%, accuracy is 61.85%, recall is 74% class 0, precision is class 1 approved is 57%, recall approval is 45%. The F1 score should be is 60%. So that's why I decided the approval rates by gender. We see the approval rate as well. So the female approval rate gender is 28% and male approval rate is 39%. And as per the approval rate by race, for non-white people, approval rate by race is 27% and the white is 38.43%. And for the last but not the least, we'll take about the employment type. As for part-timers, the loan approval rate is 28%. Self-employed is means is 25%, and on unemployed people is 30%. So the full time is 36%. There's a bar graph actually, and there's a classification rate. So female accuracy is 60% and male is at 63%. And last but not least, I'll show you the model type. In this model I have used the scalar model, x column model, and a random forest classifier model. In these three models I used, and we use only income, credit score, and loan amount, so that we could predict the files for this. In this file I use this to show the prediction file that we needed right now. And that's it from my side. Thank you. Thank you for this.